Eviction is the process of having a tenant removed from a property. It is done when a tenant refuses to move even after being requested by the landlord. An eviction notice is the first step in an eviction proceeding. It is an intent shown towards evicting or removing a tenant from the property. If you are a landlord sending this notice, there is a chance that the tenant may leave on receiving this notice. Then there is no need to take any further action. But if the tenant refuses to move, then you may proceed towards filing a case for eviction. It is to be noted that courts in India usually favour the tenant when it comes to these proceedings. Therefore, your lawyer has to build a very strong case for you to succeed. Utmost care needs to be taken while evicting a tenant because it is a very sensitive issue. Things like changing the lock, entering without permission, trying to force a tenant out can all work against you in a court of law. Moreover, the tenant will have a chance to file a criminal case against you for the same. A tenant who has been paying rent according to the rental agreement can be evicted if the landlord decides to use the property for personal use. If the landlord is not going to use the property for personal use, judicial discretion is applicable for the reason of eviction.